Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, you can get to it from the menu just by clicking nav there, or if you're on another screen, you can just click nav there. It's probably easier just to fill three along and click nav. And then you've got destination entry there. Postcode's easiest. Postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and it's PR. It's defaulted to numbers, which is really good. 5, 4. Now with this system, you don't have to put a space in it either. Some systems, unless you've got 3 numbers in the centre of the postcode, you have to put a space in, but you don't with this. So PR5 4 E A. Click OK. Click destination. Destination's been set at PR5, and now we click go. So
please follow the highlighted route.
You've got like 2 safety catches on there, just so as you don't set it to go to the postcode that you've already just spent 5 minutes putting in. So that's it anyway. Also, the other good thing with this, there's loads of cars when you set your sat-nav, you're nearly home, or you get on the M6 and you know your way from there, and you think, right, I don't want it keep telling me, because it always speaks when you're just listening to something, and you want to knock it off. And some cars are so difficult to knock the voice instructions off. It's unbelievable. Jaguar Land Rover product. So you click menu, and then just there in the nav, cancel guidance. That's it, done. It's so easy. Great car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.